Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 3, C is 6 and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the order or exponent. If your expression contains any exponent, any power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first if you are going left to right. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket 7 plus 11. So we will solve both of them and get the answer is 18. And divided by 3 minus and 3 raised to power 2 we will write as it is, and again plus 3 we will write now as it is, and here we will give the reference 7 plus 11 equals to 18. Now step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part or order of expression. So now we have 18 divided by 3 we will write as it is, minus 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 9, and plus 3 we will write now as it is, and here we will give the reference 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. This part becomes this way. Okay, so we have solved this one as well. Now step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So here we have to see which is coming first. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have 18 divided by 3. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 6 minus 9 and plus 3 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. Now move forward step number 4 because we have solved division and multiplication. So now we will go again left to right and find out which is coming first, addition or subtraction. So here we have first the subtraction. So 6 minus 3 equals to minus 3. Why minus 3? Because we have the minus sign with the larger number, and plus 3 we will write again. And here we will give the reference 6 minus 9 equals to minus 3. We have two terms which are separating each other because we have minus 3 and plus 3. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.